Christmas is all about.
Morning everybody. Just remembered that I completely forgot about the whole movie thing. So today I plan on watching The Holiday and Love Actually. So I'm going to see if I can find one this morning, and then this evening I probably watch Love Actually. In the meantime, I'm going to see if I can upload my video. And then whilst I'm doing that, actually I need to carry on watching it and see if it's alright. I'll do that first because I fell asleep watching it last night and then I went to bed, so I never finished it. Now that me and Aaron have been to the football, my mum's flight has been cancelled, so they've had to reschedule. And now I'm about to open my calendar, finally. So, number 9. Guessing, oh, I don't know what you could be because I'm going to say you're a lipstick. Wait. Oh, I like that. Apart from the gloss. I wish they'd stop giving me gloss. I do like the colour though. Oh, I'm not good at that. Oh, that's a nice colour actually. I might do a swatch later on. Come on, camera. You know when you've got to use your nose to focus because your hand is busy holding the camera. That's the problem right now. And I've got to get it on again. Okay. So yeah, we've ordered a Chinese, so that should be coming in about half an hour. But I'm going to have a starter.
This is all about
chestnut roasting.
Merry Christmas!
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting, lovely weather for staying right together with you. Outside the snow is falling, things are cold.
Don't even know what it recorded then. But we're off again. Leave it, Molly. Never bring it to me, do you? Watch this. I'll kick it. Kick her in the face with some snow. Buddy! Alright then, you're not as giddy as you were yesterday about that. Good morning everybody. This morning I took Molly out and I had a little revelation. Actually I had this revelation last night. No, got two revelations. Well, not really a revelation. But firstly, look at that. That's the snow. That's off topic, but that's the snow making my face so bright. Oh yeah, because I missed the 8 on the movie thing and I was missing a day on the 24th, I'm gonna put The Holiday on the 24th. So, because it's my favourite film, it'll make it a bit more exciting. So yeah, that's the plan. I can't remember which films I had when, but I'm gonna read my description of that video. Remind myself what film I'm meant to be watching today. See if they've got it on Netflix and watch that. Oh yeah, the other revelation is I could have done this this year, right? But I've just realised so. But I'm wanting to do kind of like a Vlogmas but on Instagram, because I do post pictures on my Instagram, but it's not as active as I want it to be. So next Christmas, note to self, Emma, if you ever watch your Vlogmas videos back, you need to do the, I don't know what to call it. If anyone can think of a name, give me a name. But basically, they've got to be pictures, anything from that day. So, for instance, I took this picture with Molly today, and I took another picture with Molly yesterday. Try and mix them up a bit, don't just have the dog in all of them. I'm now going to open my advent calendar. I don't really know what today is going to bring, to be honest with you. We're meant to be having this big bad blizzard that's closing and cancelling all flights, closing all airports around here, I believe. I don't know if it's actually closing the airport. Flights have been cancelled. My Santa's grotto at work has been cancelled and it's not happened yet. So I bet my boss is well annoyed that the weather's doing nothing, because we're meant to be getting a lot of snow. There's yellow warnings out and everything. I mean, well, I don't like ice anyway, so if there's any sign of snow or ice, I freak out. But yeah, I'll probably have to get a taxi into work tomorrow because I'm too scared. I'll have to ring them and see if they'll take me. I'm such a whim. Aaron says I'm pathetic, and I am. Anyway, yeah, open. Actually, let's turn the Christmas lights on first. There we go. I never used to like it flashing, but I've liked it now. Anyway, so that was yesterday's. I tried that on. I'm not right keen. Alexa, What's the date today?
Today is Sunday, December 10th.
Oh, thank you. I wish it was the 18th of December because that would mean it's nearly Christmas, but it's not. Okay, 10. Here we are. You are a... Ooh, some tweezers. Like I haven't got enough of them already. Oh no, you're doing that thing where I can't get them out. Ow! Oh! No, Aaron's gonna have to do it. Where's my chocolate advent calendar? Oh, you're there. You look like you'll be friendlier to me. Like you won't rip my fingers off, you rip yourself though. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's the back of the thing. Yeah. Next year, I'm gonna hope to find a traditional advent calendar. You know, like where you open it and there's a picture on the back of the door and you pull the chocolate out and the chocolate's got an actual picture of like Lay on it. That made Christmas exciting for me. I mean, Christmas is still exciting, but do you know what I mean? They don't do stuff like that anymore. It's all linked chocolate or galaxy chocolate or... There's nothing really exciting. Like, I'm not really bothered about the chocolate. Snow has started, guys. You probably can't even see it. So actually you can. It's very light, but that's meant to turn into a blizzard. So yeah.